A few weeks ago, I was out on a solo ride experimenting with my new camera and the mic settings, trying to get the best audio. After a rest stop at the Hayward Lake Recreation Site, I continued on my ride through some back roads in the area. The fun part of the ride, now that we're out in the country, what a beautiful day. I can't get over it. It is, was it the 15th or 16th of April? And the car's coming. It's Dave Lake. The power generating station down below us here. The actual dam itself. And some twisties. And we're off. This is the dam that creates that lake that we were on, where the nice park was. We were at the top end, now we're at the bottom end. Back up with some twisties.
A few moments later.
Oh, there's some gold wings up in front of me. Coming up Wilson Street from the dam at the bottom of Hayward Lake, I caught a glimpse of a yellow gold wing. I thought it might be my friend Amarjeet, as he has a similar bike. Yellow gold wings are few and far between. I could tell it was a gold wing because of the bright yellow color. I don't think any other biker would fly a bright yellow bike. Like I'm going to get a chance to catch up to him. I turned on the heat to catch up, absolutely, but it wasn't my friend after all. Later that day, we made two new friends. Following these two riders for a while, we finally came up to a stoplight and had a short chat. I was invited to join them for a beer after the ride, So we headed to Sam's place in downtown Port Coquitlam.
A little later.
Yeah, we formed our little own club down where in the condos we live, call it the Burley Green Originals, the men's room. And we go down there, have a couple of beers and solve the world's problems. And we have our own little logos made up and t-shirts.
Cool.
Kind of cool.
I don't know those guys.
No, you don't.
No. Is that because you're on a Harley and they're on Goldwings?
I don't live there.
No, the one guy's got a Harley and an FZ09, the other guy's got an Africa Twin, one's got an FJ1300.
Nice.
We welcome all kinds.
So,
And the few guys that don't have bikes.
so we're here at Sam's Pub in Port Coquitlam after meeting these guys on the road. And we're gonna have a few beers. Well, no, one beer because we're riding.
Can I get a Sam?
I'm gonna have a Sam's burger. And this is our beautiful waitress. Say hi to you two.
Jody. My name's Jody.
Thanks, Jody. Hi, Jody.
I'm not Jody, I'm Crystal.
That's
Oh, Crystal. Okay. So what's going on here at Sam's? Tell us
There's a
about
lot going on. There's a lot going on. We're quite busy, sun's shining, beers are flowing, everybody's happy, not one miserable person in this place ever.
I just haven't got here
We're
yet.
happy all day.
Except you.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is my $11 burger.
Look at that.
Look at that, eh?
Once you add all the other things, it's $47.
Oh yeah, but check that out, man. Cheese and bacon and mushrooms.
Every French fry's $1.
$11.
Every
Can't beat
French
it.
fry's $1.
Food and service at Sam's was great, and we were able to get to know each other a bit more. After lunch, we went our separate ways with plans to ride together again sometime in the future. So we're outside of Sam's Pub. There we go. You can see the sign. A beer and a burger, 28 bucks. It is what it is. But I met two really nice guys, Chris and Russ.
Yep.
Awesome. Thanks. It was good meeting you guys.
Nice meeting you.
And
See you again for sure.
Lester Lightstone, this might be your bike. If you recognize that little decal, I'll tag you in the video. And
Well, you weren't sure about that.
I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure this is Lester's old bike. There's very few yellow Goldwings around. So
Correct.
anyway, we're done for the day. This will be the end of my video. Have a good one, guys. Ride safe.